Today I will teach you how to convert open invoice into credit invoice in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. After we entered, we need to go to the Customer module at the left side. Click the arrow beside it. Two categories will appear, namely Trading and Services. Click the Trading category. Once you've clicked it, another group of modules will appear. One of the modules include Credit Invoice. Click Credit Invoice. Then click the plus button above. After clicking, an empty field will appear that you'll need to fill in some needed information. The required data should match the data inside the open invoice that we recently added in order that the receipt that will issue our customer is accurate. Let's start by adding in the name of the customer. The correct invoice number. The date of action. At the Terms section you are free to set it depending on your choice. We can now check the box for open invoice. Notice the invoice number, it is the same to what we've assigned our currently encoded open invoice. Click the invoice number. Head on to the product name and quantity. Type both sections with the product that our customer ordered and received. The total amount of the product should match the amount on the open invoice, which is 100 pesos. We can observe that both are the same. Click the Calculate button. When the computation is done, proceed to the account details. Set trade receivables as chart of account. After we input all the needed information, click the Create button. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Go to the Open Invoice module and check if the data is gone and converted. We can see that the steps that we've made worked. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our site and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.